I just started my first nature journal and I want to share with you what I did. I was gifted this nature journal by the Eureka Suki Museum here in Illinois. It's just blank sheets of paper. They made us a kit and it came with all of these great things like colored pencils, regular pencil, magnifying glass. See, even my dog Gus loves it. A ruler. These are all different types of things that you can include in your nature journal. What I decided to draw was this eastern bumblebee. I found it outside dead when I was on a nature walk. I decided to bring it inside because it is a cold day today. This is my nature journal from the Eureka Suki Nature Museum. They gave this to all of their master naturalists, and these things will enhance your journaling experience. Here you can see the bee, and then here is my drawing. What do you think? In addition to drawing, you can include notes about what it looks like. You can put information about where it's been found. You can include measurements. All of these different types of things enhance your nature journal. Because you're trying to replicate something, you really notice detail, so it is really great in enhancing your observation skills. I hope I inspired you to start a nature journal. It is a great way to not only learn about nature and wildlife and animals, but also it is a really mindfulness-based practice. I feel so peaceful and so happy when I'm doing this. For more in nature journaling, getting outside, connecting to nature, check out this podcast episode with John Muir Laws.